Good afternoon, students. Let's continue with the chapter number 1. Okay, now we have learned many things in this chapter. In last video, we had learned about the metamorphosis in a butterfly. That means we learned the two stages. The first stage, in which we took example of a plain tiger butterfly. She lays egg on a milkweed or rui leaf only. Okay, and after 6 to 8 days, what comes out? A larva, which is known as caterpillar. It comes out of the egg. Yes, and see here, this from the egg caterpillar the larva comes out. The larva of butterfly is called as caterpillar, and it eats very fast. Okay, I taught you this in the last video. Yes, okay, all of you remember. Very good. It eats very fast. Okay, and that is why its growth is very rapid. Rapid means very fast. So what happens because of this? Yes, he molts. After 2-3 days he molts for the first time. Molts mean removing the old skin and he gets a new skin on his body. Like this, how many times he molts? 4 times. Okay, that means in the caterpillar stage it remains for 10 to 12 days. Okay, now we will learn the third stage, the pupa, which is also known as the chrysalis, and the adult butterfly. Okay, now let's move to the next stage. Now first, before learning this stage, I would like to read this paragraph for you all. Okay, just pay attention on each and every word. Okay, just before the last mold, the caterpillar weaves a button of a silken thread on a stalk or a leaf and hangs itself from it. When it molds this time, it forms a pupa, which is the next stage of its growth. The pupa of a butterfly is also called a chrysalis. Okay, now can you see how the caterpillar is hanging on a stem? Okay, so after the last mold, before doing the last mold, what is written here? That the caterpillar weaves a button of a silken thread. Now the caterpillar releases a silk like material, means very soft material, which is like a silk. Okay, silk thread. Have you seen a silk thread, how soft it is? Yes, ask your mother, she will show you a silk thread. Okay, so like that only a liquid is released by the caterpillar before the last mold, with the help of which he hang himself on a stalk. Stalk means stem or a leaf, and hangs itself from it. Okay, the caterpillar, what he does, he stick himself to a stem with this silk, and he start covering also himself with this silk only. Okay, and he takes this the last shape. Here you can see the last shape. The caterpillar is covered with a green color, the thing, that is a silk material which is released by the caterpillar. Okay, now the mold is hanging on the second last picture, you can see here. Okay, the last mold is hanging and he has covered himself with the silken thread like material. Okay, and he does after hanging to a stem. He does this after hanging himself to a stem, and he rolls himself inside that silk like material. When it molds this time, it forms a pupa. Now the shape which he has taken, he goes inside the silk. So this stage is called as the pupa. The pupa of butterflies is also called a chrysalis. Now what is this shape called as? When he takes this shape, what it is called? Chrysalis. What is the spelling of chrysalis? CHRYSALIS. Chrysalis. Okay, again, how to break it? CHRYSALIS. Chrysalis. Okay, you will have to learn this spelling. It is a very new word for you all. Okay, I will give you this word in hard word also. Okay, now let's move further. Now let me read this paragraph. It remains inside the chrysalis for the next 11 or 12 days. Now the caterpillar goes inside the chrysalis. Now for how many days it remains in the chrysalis? 11 to 12 days. Okay, and it does not eat anything during this stage. Okay, there is no movement of the chrysalis and it does not eat also anything. However, inside the chrysalis, important changes take place in its body. Okay, now the caterpillar starts changing. Changes start taking place in the body because he has to convert himself from caterpillar to a butterfly. Now the last stage. You can see the picture of the chrysalis or the pupa. Can you see the pupa in the picture here? Yes. This is how the chrysalis looks like. Okay, now in this chrysalis important changes take place in the body of the caterpillar. Okay, now let's move further. Before moving further to the last stage, to the fourth stage, I am going to show you a short video. Okay, how the caterpillar converts itself into a pupa and how from the pupa after few days a butterfly comes out. See. Now see, here the caterpillar is hanging itself to a leaf. Okay, green color leaf is there, a plant is there on which the caterpillar hang itself and cover itself with the silk material, converts into pupa. Now see, now pupa is breaking. See, after few days something is coming out and it's a butterfly which comes out. Can you see? Thank you.